So as you can guess, I am back with another video. Haven't made a video in a couple months. Haven't really been motivated to. Haven't had anything to really make a video about. So here it is. This is a secret I've been keeping for about almost a year now. Next month will be a year. I bought the Potamus, and if y'all remember about like 37,000 videos ago, it's basically the exact same setup that was in the Hippo, except for we are now on the T6 S475, iron block 5.3, and it's still the old transmission out of the Booster Brewster. So couple things I did different with this car. I used a smaller radiator, which I found out over the weekend is terrible, I guess, with the grill in or the bumper on. I'm gonna find out. Just put the bumper on and the hood on for the video, made the car look more complete. I also used F-body accessories this time instead of truck accessories. We're on a 5-inch exhaust, still coming out the same way, same spot that we had the one on the Hippo. We're on Holly this time. The car is complete, full interior. The seats are fucking beat, but they're there. Same style shifter that we were on before. We got a radio, we got back seats, we got some Radio Pros back there that I need to put on these because these are pretty beat. Also have a heat exchanger under the car. You probably can't see it, to expand the cooling system. I got the ice tank in here, another Radio Pro. Got a surge tank. I have 2 Most Pluses under the car, and yeah. So I think I did mention it that I did buy it, but I don't think I've ever made a full video that I had the car. We did make a video on G-Roy about me putting the motor in there, and I talked about how I was going to sell that car and I was going to sell this car in order to fund the 350Z project that I want to start on, which would be a K-swap car. But all in all, I still love this car. I've driven it about 600 miles this weekend alone. I picked both my kids up and we went joyriding in it. We had a pretty good time. Post some pictures up there of it. Alex loves the car. I'm probably going to drive it to Fayetteville again to pick up Alex from daycare. I promised that I would do it to him last time, but I was having an overheating issue, which I figured out was the bumper. So I took the bumper off and I was able to go and pick him up. But the goal with this car is to go 570s on the 85 and reset the G35 record, which is my record, which I keep creating. Everybody's like, oh, it's a micro record. Well, somebody told me it was a micro record, which it really ain't, because nobody's really pushing this chassis, even with the VQ, to go fast. So pretty much doing 350Zs because 350Zs are light. I still have G37 axles that I need to put in the rear, and the hubs. And this weekend is Streetcar Takeover Darlington, at Darlington, South Carolina, obviously. And I would like to get the car fully converted back over to the 85. I had it on the 85 and I put on pump gas to just drive out of town. I'm going to put it back on the 85 and I have to change the plugs back out to the plugs that I was running on E. And yeah, I'm probably just running to the 8th a couple times, and then I run it through a quarter. And if I trap anything over 150, they're going to kick me out the track. So goal is to get kicked out of the track. I haven't been kicked off a track in about 8 years, so I'd like to revisit that experience. I do have a fire jacket. I have a helmet, so there's some safety involved. Do I have a cage? No. Those are things we're not worried about right now. So yeah. Setup, I explained some in the beginning, but we are air to water, T6 S475, dump truck turbo, cast wheel, Johnny. We got BTR Stage 3 Turbo Cam. We got a A-Team Performance intake manifold, some Chinese brackets that I had to modify to fit my Chinese coil packs that work. We got some JDM Speed plug wires, Walmart battery, shout out to them. Amazon fuel lines, Amazon fuel pressure regulator, Amazon LS1 water pump. We got a billet speed alternator bracket, junkyard alternator, stock F body balancer, and yeah, I know I have something Honda on here. I can't remember what it is. We don't see Medeka 80 pound injectors, VS blow off valve, Chinese of the Chinese ES wastegates. Hopefully they work. And I'm pretty sure I'm leaking boost out of here. When I logged it before, I was on 10 pounds. I'm sure I'm leaking boost out of this. So I got to fix that hole right here. I need to put a catch can on this thing because I know if I go anything over 15 pounds, I'm going to start pushing the seal out somewhere. Bobby did it on like 10, so pretty sure on 15 this is going to do it. PTC converter, boosted rooster transmission, same transmission I had in the Hippo, B&M shifter, mom and pop drive shaft, stock rear end, stock axles. We're going to go 130 to the 60 foot and not break shit. So, Street Car Takeover is coming up, like I said before, and I'm definitely for sure going to do a video while I'm out there. Hopefully I get to run the car. If not, I'll just film the event pretty much. I need to do some more filming. I know I don't do a lot. Just really unmotivated to film shit because I have to do it by myself, and it's really not a lot going on. I don't like filming a bunch of customer stuff anymore because it kind of gets repetitive and annoying, and since it's just me talking and no action. And yeah, so here y'all have it. It's a secret I've been hiding for about a year, and she runs and she drives, and she's fantastic. I would drive it home tonight, but the sky is not looking really good. Oh, and we did some yard cleaning, so we organized some cars we didn't organize, but some of the trash pile is gone. The gulag is still the gulag, and gulag overflow is still the gulag overflow. But hopefully I have a video for y'all this weekend. I'm gonna try to edit this tonight and put it out in the morning. As always, comment, like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next upload.